Here are some tips on using your HC80 hairdryer. Switch on the hairdryer using the blower switch. You can choose between 3 heat settings: low, mid or high temperature. With the triple iron function, you can select the right iron intensity for every hair type, thus achieving your own styling. Level O is for particularly thin hair, Level 1 for fine hair, and Level 2 for relatively thick and frizzy hair. Using the protection function, you can gently dry your hair at a low temperature. A cool setting is the perfect way to finish your style. This cools your hair down and adds hold. The device has a professional AC motor for high output. Dry and style your hair as desired. Always pull the mains plug out of the socket before cleaning the device. The casing and accessories can be cleaned using a soft, damp cloth. For detailed information, please pay attention to the instructions for use and safety notes. We hope you enjoy using your HC80 hairdryer from Beurer.